routine inspection again. I doubt there's anything serious in here.
Communication systems needs constant maintenance, and even a small issue can affect the whole network.
Everyone, let's also focus on the safety, not just the network. So, are you guys ready?
Good morning, engineers. I'm Ms. Ashley, the company's Quality Assurance and Compliance Officer.
Good morning, Mamashi.
We requested this inspection because we've been experiencing occasional network interruptions.
Do you have a dedicated equipment room for the communication system?
Yes, on the second floor, our routers, switches, and radio communication equipment are all there. As part of compliance, we also need to ensure that the electrical and safety standards are being followed.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So that's what we are going to check today.
So this is the communication server, right?
Oh, this rack handles most of the communication traffic.
This looks pretty standard, huh?
Wait, hold on.
Why? What did you find?
Upon checking this document, the grounding cable for the rack is disconnected.
Seriously?
Yes, the rack frame isn't grounded.
How are you, engineers? What's the status?
Sir, we are currently inspecting the system.
If a fault occurs, electricity could flow through the metal frame.
But the equipment is still running fine.
That's not the point.
Here, take this. Christian is right. We need to protect the equipment and the people for groundings. By the way, I'm gonna take this call outside and I'll wait for your updates at my office. So, good luck.
Aye, sir.
Without it, someone touching this rock could receive an electrical shock.
No, don't worry about it.
We should shut down the system and reconnect the grounding.
If we shut it down, the entire office will lose communication.
But safety comes first.
Let's just report it later. The system has probably been running like this for months.
Cleo, there's stray voltage in the rock.
How much?
It is enough to cause harm.
That's still manageable.
Excuse me, engineers.
Yes?
I'm Kyla, the new OJT intern. Miss Ashi asked me to monitor the system status.
The network just dropped upstairs. Can you restart that switch?
Kayla, wait!
Turn off the power!
Are you okay? You are safe now.
Christian, what happened?
Kayla got electrocuted from the rock.
Do you know this earlier? Why someone didn't shut it down earlier? Huh? Cleo!
Sir, I thought it wasn't urgent.
Because of your assumption, someone got hurt. As an engineer, we have the responsibility to protect people.
You're right, sir. We should not correct the hazard immediately.
Try to reconnect the wires.
The voltage reading is now 0.
Okay, that's good.
Is the system compliant now?
Yes, we discovered a very serious grounding issue.
That violates safety standards.
Don't worry, we have already corrected and resolved the circuitry wiring, so we got you covered. Dapat naka-off yan, ha? Check natin. Nice! Yun. Initially, mukhang okay pa naman ang lahat.
Mounting guys.
Layo nga. Selfie guys, selfie. Ano ba yan? Ba't yun?
Ayan, yung pre.
Diretso.
Katulad yung sa driving, may level sense ako sa
PLC. Ito PLC. Good afternoon, everyone. So we are here at ADC Economic Corporation doing our business prototype. I'm going to demo some of the key features of our setup.
Yeah, isa pa nga. Yung dapat gano'n, magkikiro siya.
Kailangan na nag-edit.